This vinaigrette is delicious with roasted vegetables, served like a chimichurri with meat, or my favorite, as a dressing for a caprese salad. Here's what you'll need to make this basil vinaigrette. The process is quite simple. Just combine all of your ingredients, a half a cup of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar or white balsamic vinegar. If you use white balsamic vinegar, the vinaigrette will have a nice round sweetness. If you prefer a less sweet vinaigrette, use regular white wine vinegar. A small shallot or half a large one, just cut it into chunks. A bit of Dijon mustard. Use just enough to give the vinaigrette a bit of tang, but not so much that it tastes mustardy. And of course, a bit of salt and coarsely ground black pepper. I used about 2 loosely packed cups of basil and the tender stems from my basil plants, as well as the leaves from a couple of sprigs of lemon thyme. The lemon thyme gives the vinaigrette just a subtle hint of citrus. You could also use lemon juice or give everything a good buzz in your blender or food processor. Shouldn't take more than 30 seconds to get everything blended. 15 to 30 seconds should be sufficient. And use immediately or transfer to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 5 days. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.